We get like Nescafe or whatever for the Boy Scouts.
Steam coming out of this. Got me. Cause this saves on the cloud now, so it's kind of nice.
You want that one, and I'll cook.
Sure. Okay, so we're on day 2. Just left camp, just back there. We're on our way, day hike to Givens. I have my pack, even though it's a day hike. All I got in here is our lunch. And what time we got? Was it 8? Yeah, 8:37. So I think we're gonna go back up to the old camp up on top of Mallard, and then just kind of find our way as we go, because there is no trail. Same with Mallard. This isn't an actual campsite, but even though people have been here and stay here, there's no actual trail here, no actual campsite. So just winging it. Another balloon. This is our last bit of water for, I think, a long time, so might fill up, bring what we can. Because we're about, the water disappears right here and then just goes away. There's these big bowls in granite from when lightning would strike it, carve a hole. And we're not at the tallest point, but I mean that could have been thousands and thousands of years ago, and could have been the highest point for these trees. Oh, here's more where lightning has struck, which could have been why these trees are dead. The lightning could have struck them. Some of them you'll see, I'll point them out later, where the top of the tree is burnt from when lightning would strike. And it's out here, the storms can roll in pretty quick. This will be on top of our first little mountain. Pretty.
Marmon. It's like a big woodchuck almost, but lives in the rocks. He just went away.
Pretty high up. Yeah.
Ooh.
Wish it wasn't smoky.
Come up here a little bit, Wes. Look at that. Just followed around
The peak.
staying on the inside of those peaks. So we're climbing up here, just staying,
Something like that.
We don't.
Givens is straight in front.
The peak.
Yeah, I can barely see it. There's like a telescope thing mounted showing you all the stuff that's around here, but it's so hazy.
I'm big willing to bet it's been redone.
Yeah. And then maybe up here we can see Dogtooth. I don't know, it's so hazy. Way down there's that meadow, is the one that we crossed yesterday getting to Mallard. And you can, I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, Dogtooth Peak we were at years ago. Hazy, but you can still see it. I'll have to see if I can see it on the camera or not. Another one. Still got helium. Yeah, still got a little ways. But I think, look at these rocks, how they've been carved out.
I like, look at all the stripes.
This is the high point for this. Oh yeah. And we got service. I haven't tried yet. I'm gonna wait till I get to the very top. They have Verizon. They have good service. We have T-Mobile. Not very good service. Now, it was years ago. This telescope was loose, and we actually brought epoxy with us, scary, and glued this thing in. And I'll tell you, I wonder what that is. It looks like a lightning rod, but it'll tell you what you're looking at, which, if I recall, should be able to see Mount Whitney, which I think somewhere that direction. I don't know. Dogtooth, there's Dogtooth, which I can see from here barely. Let's see. Dogtooth. I can't really see. I don't know if you can either. Cool. Alright. Let's see if I get service up here. See what this is. What do you think this is? Like a radio tower?
Don't know.
Lightning rod?
Wes, you see the USGS, there's 3 USGS markers.
Oh, here's one right here.
Hello, here's your husband.
$250 fine or imprisonment. Oh, I better not take that off. And here's another one. Whew, man. I'm out of breath. $19.50. I gotta go back now and check this one again. That was a trail we hiked yesterday, or the Deuce the Ersham Trail towards the end. We are parked, I think, behind one of the, I think that peak right there. Because if you look a little further, there's a radio tower. And we're parked just next to that radio tower. Ugh. This one's different.
What's it say?
Elevation above sea level. 10,648 feet.
Oh, we're not at 11.
Almost 11,000. So this is the pass where, you know, the only way over, you saw the cliffs on Givens. The only way to the other side will be right through here. So this is where I found that arrowhead many years ago. Because it was probably, well, what my dad just explained, a big hunting area. Because the only way you're getting to the other side of this mountain range is right through here, because everything else is a sheer cliff. So, and I got a pounding headache. I don't know why. Drinking plenty of water, it might be something to do with altitude. Saw some bone in the water. Then over here, yeah, I'd say something got him.
Yeah.
But we've been dropping elevation so quick, my headache went away. So, elevation does a lot. Total time, wow, I stopped at 3 hours on the dot.
Wow. Since we left?
Yep. Well, I did pause it and I forgot to resume it once. Total distance 5.5, so it's probably more like 5 3/4. Average pace was 1327. 1,300 calories burnt. Average heart rate was 144. Elevation gain 1,250. Max was 10,666. The low was here at 6,437. Most of them. Tastes like blueberry?
Mm-hmm.
Little. Tastes like blueberry. I thought they were, but I didn't see any berry. I wonder if the cow been eating them. Or other critters. Oh, you can see one of the peaks from here. Oh, look at the little pine tree growing in the rock.
Oh, wow.
Arr. Yeah, that's crazy. It's much more shallow over here than the other side.
Here it is. Ooh, it's fucking cold.
Yep, that just reminds me that I don't want to go in the water. And teriyaki. Is this the teriyaki chicken that didn't have chicken? Or was that the other one?
No, that's the other one.
Yeah, the other one had teriyaki chicken, or no, beef teriyaki. But if you look at the ingredients, it had tuna in it. Didn't make sense, but yes, these things are they're pretty good.
Boy, I was doing the Ray Lake loop, not the Ray Lake, San Rafael loop.
They're little, I don't know what they're called.
Towelettes.
Towelettes.
Dehydrated towelettes that you rehydrate.
Just add water.
Hot water preferably.
Yeah, to wipe your face. Because it's not like a paper towel, it's actual towel. Oh. Is it pretty bad? Oh yeah, it's pretty bad.
You got right up the... Yeah,